LED लायट्स घायले सगळे कॉन्स्टिट्युएंसी आख्या गोंयांक म्हळ्यार मेंटेन करपाक कोणय नाही. एक जेईक कोणा एक जेको खबर ना कोण मेंटेन करता तांकांय कॉन्टॅक्ट ना त्यांचा.
ESL पळय हा सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट PSU दे आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दिस LED मेंटेनन्स installation and maintenance and attending. They have subcontracted it to some other contractors who have not delivered properly. We have not paid. We have taken now series of meeting and I am already on their breathing on their necks. And we have told them either you make the subcontractor effective or you change him or you do it yourself. So I expect results by August. The new teams are already being placed. Call center will be attended through an PSU's own arrangement. And the contractor, if he does not put up the teams on place, then he will be taken for task. Actually, the main problems are carbon on the because of rains, and the other one is the switch boxes. So we have told them to get this replaced or repaired. म्हाका दिसता सप्टेंबरान प्रॉब्लेम बरेचशे कमी जातले चवथीचे.
लायटी वयता एक जाले दुसरी त्यो सामक्यो सांजच्यो वोल्टेज लागून कित्याक खबर ना सगळे हे जातात म्हळ्यार सामके पेटोवप बंद जावप हय तेजेर म्हाका सगळे
थोड्यो कार्बन तुका सांगलें न्हय ते अटेंड करणारी कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आहा पळय दे हॅड सब कॉन्ट्रॅक्टेड इट टू अनदर कंपनी who was supposed to maintain this. They have failed to provide proper arrangement. So we have taken 2-3 meetings in last 1.5 months, and slowly by August end I expect some correction in the system. So September and lighty बऱ्यापैकी जाग्यार येतल्यो अशी म्हजी अपेक्षा.